Are you a type 4 hair girly? And have you ever wondered if you could leave your hair out whilst you do a sew-in of raw hair extensions? Well, if you've ever wondered about this video, I'm going to show you guys the perfect product for you to achieve a lovely silk press and also introduce you to some raw hair extensions in the UK that deliver on quality, durability, and also sustainability. I'm also going to show you guys proven ways that I maintain my natural hair on my raw hair extensions without chemical treatments, without any relaxers or anything like that. So if you're wondering how you can achieve this and how you can rock your own natural hair in a sew-in, stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and I hope you all are doing great. So today I wanted to talk to all of my type 4 hair girlies, the type 4A, B, C hair girlies. This video is for you. Now, silk presses are my go-to way to get my hair silky, straight like this, and I can always rock my sew-ins, rock my raw hair extensions. And this raw hair extension is from Happy by Z, my company. I sell raw hair and I would love you guys to try it out. I will give you guys the link in the description box below so you can go check out my raw hair company where I source sustainable and ethical hair for you guys. It's raw hair straight from a human being, hair that God has created for our pleasure, and I went all the way to the source to find these hairs for you guys. So if you're interested in raw hair extensions like this, they blend beautifully with your natural type 4 hair, as you can see, and they last for years. This hair can last for like 10 years. If you properly maintain your hair, it can last you a long time. So onto this video. First off, you need to have the right tools for the job. If you do not have the right tools for the job, you're going to suffer from heat damage, and we do not want heat damage in any way. So that is why I'm so happy to introduce you guys to this product, and this is the Noma Sana Silk Tress Hair Straightener. And do you know what I love about this product? The owner of this product, her name is Lily Odogu. Hey, if you're Nigerian, you know what is Odogu. Odogu silencer. I mean, that name is so beautiful. I was like, is this her real name, or did she just come up with that name? But of course it should be her real name. It is her real name. So Lily Odogu, shout out to you for being an Odogu to provide this lovely hair straightener for us, curly hair girls. Now, with this hair straightener, you can go from curly to straight in a single glide. Now, you do not need to keep going 1, 2, 3 glides before you get straight hair. This product provides this in a single glide. So I'm going to unbox this and I'm going to try it out for us to see. But before I unbox it, let me just quickly run through, the details on here so that we have an idea of what this product can do. Okay, so it has a removable comb so that you can achieve the silk press look at home in half the time. So instead of you to use a fine tooth comb to kind of silk press your hair, you can use the removable comb attached to this product. It also has nano titanium plates. So the nano titanium plates evenly distributes heat during styling for a faster finish. So I've always heard about nano titanium plates and that they're very good to avoid or prevent heat damage. So this is what we need, girls. It also has infrared light therapy, which seals in hair moisture, so hair looks healthier and sleeker for longer. It has negative ion technology, which helps to eliminate frizz during styling for a smooth and glossy finish. It has adjustable temperature. Avoid overheating your hair by using the setting best suited to your hair type. And also, it has MCH heater, which rapidly heats to desired temperature setting within 30 minutes. Okay, so now that we've got all of that information out of the way, I'm going to start unboxing. So first thing in the box is a thank you card and the manual. Just gonna keep that aside, and in here we've got some words here that says Noma is not just a brand, it's a movement that seeks to put type 3 and type 4 hair at the forefront of conversations, with a brand name that comes from the Swahili expression meaning amazing or great. In English, we aim to give a new identity to Afro, coily, and curly hair. We are changing the narrative and hope to inspire you to love the process of doing your own hair. Stay amazing. So Noma is Swahili. Wow, I didn't think about that. So it's Swahili and it means amazing or great. So first things first, I love, like, it looks like luxury. This is so pretty, so stunning. I mean, wow, this looks like luxury hair straightener. So over here, I've got comb attachments for the hair straightener. So the next thing in here is this purse, or a pouch rather. So this is the pouch where you can put your hair straightener after, you know, you do your silk press. You know, when you want to store it somewhere, you put it in here. I love how, you know, classy it looks. It looks classy. It looks like good quality product. It doesn't look cheap. It looks well made. It actually looks well made, and this is how the inside looks. Odogu Lily, I love your product, and this company is black owned. So if you want to support a black owned business, a female owned business, go check out Lily's products. She's not playing. Look at how amazing this is. So these are the nano titanium plates. As you can see, they're like, you know, rose gold kind of look. But they look really good, really good. They kind of look like the Dyson Air straightener, doesn't it? It looks like that. It kind of looks like that. It gives off that vibe, but this doesn't like blow dry your hair. This is a hair straightener. We also have some products in here. As well. Oh, this is amazing. We have an Afro comb in here, and it says Noma. Okay, we've got two clips, so two hair clips as well in here. We have a fine tooth comb, all branded in the Noma logo, and most especially we've got gloves. I love it when a brand pays attention to details, and Lily Odogo has paid attention to details and added gloves for us girlies, because who wants to start burning their fingers or their face when they are, you know, straightening their hair? So this is a good addition. Thank you very much for this. So overall, I'm impressed with the unboxing so far. The unboxing has been good. So I'm just looking at the manual to see what kind of setting I should, you know, set my hair. So they've got quite a few settings on here, right here in the book. So as you can see, so it says type of hair. So if you have very fine, fragile, damaged hair, set the temperature to 120 to 150. If you have normal, easy to straighten hair, set it to 150 to 190 degrees. And if you have normal, difficult to straighten hair, set it to 190 to 230. I feel I've got normal, easy to straighten hair, so I'm going to set it to in between 150 to 190. So 150 to 190. We'll start with 150 first, just to see how it works. So I've got my socket here. I'm going to put it on now. As you can see, it has the start button right here. I've turned it on, and currently it's starting to get really warm now. So I'm just going to turn the dial to 150. So just about turning the dial like this to 150. Okay, let's go back. Right, that is 150. So yeah, this is about 153 so far from what I can see. And at the back here, we've got like a lock and unlock button right there. So I'm going to lock it in 150 degrees, right? So this is the lock button and this is the degrees right here. So I hope you guys can see what it is. So now that it's nice and hot, I'm going to wear my gloves. So I'm going to wear my gloves for protection. So it has combs, so I don't even need to comb my hair. Okay. Yeah, how do I look, guys? How does it look? So this is how quick and easy it has been to achieve a lovely looking silk press at home using the Noma hair straightener, and of course blending it with the raw hair extensions from Happy by Z. I love how my natural type 4 hair blends seamlessly with my raw hair extensions from Happy by Z. So I'm going to leave in the description box where you can get raw hair extensions from the UK. Go check it out at Happy by Z and you would have an authentic, raw, high quality, natural hair that just suits your style and your budget. Okay, so yeah, that is all for this video. I'm so happy with my silk press. And just before I go, let me share tips on how you can maintain your silk press. So first things first, I've got the products right here that I use to maintain my silk press. And the first thing is a do-rag. So I always tie a do-rag before I sleep on my hair. So what I do is I pack my hair to the back and then I tie my do-rag so it's like a scarf that kind of holds your hair flat. And then when I add the do-rag, I then go on to top it up with the hair bonnet. I like to use a hair bonnet because it just holds the do-rag in place so that the do-rag doesn't shift and the hair doesn't scatter and all of that. So I like to use the do-rag and the hair bonnet together to sleep. And then in the morning, I would still wear the both of them. And when I want to jump into the shower to have my bath, I will then use the shower cap, and this is the shower cap that I use. I also like to have my shower cap handy when I'm out and about. I put it in my bag because it's the UK and it rains a lot in the UK, so I like to have a shower cap in my bag so that I can pack my hair up, wear my shower cap, and then hold an umbrella. And I'm not even embarrassed or shy or anything about whoever sees me wearing that because, excuse me, it's my hair. I can do what I want with it. So yeah. And even if anyone asks you about it, just say that yes, you're trying to protect your hair, really. So that is how I rock my leave out with a sew-in, and it is possible. You don't have to relax your hair to achieve this. Even if you were thinking about moisture and rain and shower, how you can protect your hair from all of this, think about the time when you had a relaxer and you did a sew-in. You would be running helter-skelter looking for shelter because your relaxed hair can't fare nicely with rain touching it. So it's just like the same thing, but with silk presses is a better way because you don't have to chemically damage your hair. So your hair will retain its natural texture even when you wash your hair. I'm so happy for the Noma hair straightener. I love how it has been able to straighten my hair without heat damage, as well as give me a lovely silk press, you know. So yeah, I would highly recommend this product to anyone who is out and about seeking for a good hair straightener that can do the job of silk pressing your hair at home and also prevent it from having heat damage. So go check it out, link in my description box. And also, if you are in search of raw hair extensions that can blend nicely with your hair, go check out Happy by Z. I would also link it down below, so you can go check out my raw hair extensions brand right in the description box. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Do stick around for more videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos regularly and I would love to have you join the family. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.